One of us has done it again.
For which one?
We bought a new car.
This needs to stop now.
Boom.
It's my old new daily.
What are we looking at, guys?
Right, it's a 2008 Audi A4 Avant. It's the B7, so it's the very last year they made them. And it's a CVT, so it's an automatic.
Yes, a lot of letters and numbers there. There is a very interesting story behind this one.
Yeah, now I owned this over 3 years ago.
That's crazy.
Mad.
I sold it to my uncle just over 3 years ago. Bit of history there.
Yeah, it's an interesting story. Now, I tell you what, first of all, let's run through the mods, because you did quite a bit to it.
Yeah, I bought it completely standard. I owned it for about 14 months, and in that time, I managed to fit a nice set of 18s,
Yep.
concaved.
I do like that staggered.
Lovely,
Yeah.
yes. And a nice set of JOM coilovers, I believe they were at the time, which actually ride really nice.
I quite like them. They do get a lot of hate, but I quite like them.
No, they're okay. The budget at the end of the day.
Yeah, it did have a nice front splitter on it.
Did have a nice front splitter, which is, let's say, I told him to take it off because he kept catching it, but yeah, he actually he zip tied it on. And
yeah, even better. I tell you what, let's have a walk around the car because this is where it gets interesting.
It's in a bit of a state.
Right, so the
state.
Right, so you may know, you think, oh, it's a lovely car.
Let's pretend more.
As Kenny said, Kenny put this lovely lip on. You managed to survive quite a while with it.
You know, he used to go up and down here, but I think my uncle was like, it's the speed bumps. I think he was hitting them at like 90 miles an hour, and he was nose diving them.
I think he was aiming for them.
Yeah.
So this is going to need some work. It's just one of those. It's definitely a fixer-upper.
It is, yeah. It does need a front-end repaint by the look of it.
Yes.
It's had a bit of damage.
Now, obviously, the plan is everyone loves a good fixer-upper.
Fun.
So the plan is...
Especially me.
Yeah, I know.
That's what I seem to buy.
So as we go around there, the 18-inch wheels Kenny mentions, I love the stagger. The rear sits
lovely.
Lovely.
The front does need spacers, which I
yes, which we will be getting. And you did say it's surprisingly comfortable, considering it is quite low, and it is going to be your daily.
It rides better than my ST.
Which is bonkers, because that's on standard suspension.
Exactly, but it really does. I don't know if it's because it's Audi quality or what, but it
Possibly,
does.
yeah, makes sense.
It does. And another thing I want to point out, which is for future things, I fitted that because I had a trailer tent at the time I owned this.
Or what Kenny calls parking sensors.
Yeah, that's
what used to be on the van, wasn't it?
It is on this.
So it's resting up against
dunk, there it is. So yeah.
Right, so we'll have a look.
Hang on a second, I just want to show you something about the state of it. Look in the door shuts and everything, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now Liam mopped this up when I had it.
That's right.
And it was
really clean when you had it.
Stunning. It's
yeah.
deep sea blue.
It looks a completely different colour when it's clean.
And light.
Yes.
So yeah, it's a bit crusty. So yeah, jump in.
Like the clown. Like we always say, most VAG cars are pretty much the same, you know what to expect, but...
Oh, this is an S-Line as well, so yeah, it does have better seats.
And, oh, nice, it's got the armrest, like we said, it is a CVT.
With that, it's even got sat-nav and everything.
Right, the CVT, I always forget, it's like constant variation transmission or something.
Yeah, I think so.
For the nerds among us, you'll know, it's like an auto, but it is different. But for the non-nerds, it's an automatic.
It's got to do with pressures, isn't it? Gates.
Yeah, and it's not so much cables, but yeah. It's anyway, it's an automatic.
Yeah.
Like Kenny said, it's got the sat-nav, which is a very nice option. And I'm pretty sure, is that the one they use in the Lamborghini Gallardo and everything? The one they use in everything?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
It's basically a Lamborghini. One thing I do like the interiors on Audis. It's just... It sounds lovely,
it's got a little bit of vibration. I think it's an engine room or something.
Right.
On takeover. But...
Yeah, I really like it. And Kenny keeps saying he is itching to get back in here.
I can't wait, honestly. It drives so nice.
That's really surprising.
So it hasn't been serviced in 3 years either.
What the hell? Wow.
Yeah, my uncle thinks long life oil lasts for life.
So in the back there, and say we are grateful it's an estate, because we could always use the extra room.
It's in a hell of a state.
And it might actually help with filming. We've got some ideas for filming as well. Yeah. Let's get some better shots. Do you want to pop the hood?
I want to pop the... I got to show you something is missing as well.
Uh-oh.
And some more damage.
Oh,
hang on.
Self-opening bonnet. Self-popping bonnet. There she is.
2 litre.
What is it? Yeah, 2 litre TDI.
140 brake.
Yeah. Oh, go on, before I get stuck into what I've just noticed there.
Yeah, well, this is something else before you go any further. Obviously, them damn speed bumps.
Oh, obviously, yeah. That's, I've had lots of headlights fall off from speed bumps.
So, yeah, it's also missing this. I actually ordered this online.
Oh my god.
I put that on, there was nothing on there, they actually left it open. So as you can see in there, it is full of like water and all the rest of it. So I do need to flush.
Brakes.
It is brakes. So
wow.
when I bought the car, I just want to mention this couple of little bits.
Yeah.
I bought the car, timing belt, water pump,
That's right.
new turbo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. My uncle had it, and it did need brake lines, so he did do all the brake lines and
That's
everything
right,
on it,
yeah.
and then put water in it. So, yeah, so he has had quite a bit of work done to it, which is good. You know, that was a few years back, but
Yeah, you put a lot of love into like the turbo.
I
That's
did.
going to last.
yeah,
Things
well,
like
this
that
is
are
it.
going to
Yeah, like I
last.
said, timing belt. It's only done 2,000 miles since he owned it,
Oh right.
so in 3 years it's done 2K.
Oh, so timing belt and everything will be
It's
absolutely
still fine. So
Wow.
I just can't wait to get back out in it, to be
Yeah.
honest.
Well, obviously, as we said, this is Kenny's new daily. This is going to be the one that we're taking on shoot, so you guys are going to be seeing this a lot.
Yes, big. I say big plans. That old phrase. I am going to tint the windows and stuff on it as well, just to make it a little bit more
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's mainly going to be cleaning it up. You can see he's got a lot of work to do just to get it up to the state it was before.
Yes, Kieran, I'm going to be in touch because I'd like you to do the front end for me.
Yes, it needs some paint. So, but yeah, that's just another reveal, just another car to add to the fleet.
I
but
know.
hey-ho.
Yeah. So I just can't wait to get it back the way it should be.
I'm looking forward to getting in there because it's been a while.
Yes.
But anyway, yeah, stay tuned for some more things, juicy things coming with this. I know a lot of people love this car.
What do we
so-
always say? We're not VAG fans.
Yeah, maybe we
And I
should just
bought
stop
another
filming
one.
now.
Yeah, I know.
That's a very good point. But anyway, we'll leave it there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Thanks. You're my special friend.